I'm up here on the St. Louis Urban Food Roof today. We came up with some of our sales reps from around the country that are in doing some training, and we always bring everybody up here to the roof. Super cool thing about this wall is that you notice the camera angle, I'm looking up. That's because it's vertical. These rows here are awesome, and there's great stuff growing here, but it takes up a lot of flat space. And our VerTexx system does not. Look at that Swiss chard growing about 8 feet off the ground there. And then if you look, we've got the city here behind us, and we're up in the air. There's a little sand volleyball going down below, and then right here we've got strawberries in our garden sock that are running all down the top edge of this roof, which is also unused area. Pretty cool being able to grow food just about anywhere.